Online training in medical writing and healthcare communications. What is the significance of assignments? I-CME online training program offers 14 sets of assignments to the learner. The assignments are customized based on the learner's profile and provides hands-on experience over various types of medical writing documents. The assignments helps a participant to improve their writings, clear understanding about various documents, practical exposure to the industry work, have a confident medical writing profile.